Hello and welcome to this week's What's Hot. So, when is bad news not such bad news? It's when the chief executive resigns just 2 weeks after the chief financial officer, the company issues a profits warning, and on a quiet news day, it makes headlines. So the company is Restore, and had it not been for the dire headlines, I wouldn't have been aware of this company, but I am now. And looking at the company fundamentals, it's an okay business. It's a company that I need to help me organize my paperwork, shred my old documents that I'm hoarding, and look after my heritage artifacts. Now, it's still going to make a pre-tax profit of some £31 million. And it's interesting to see that demand for its bulk digital scanning business isn't as good. And I must admit, I, for one, use a phone or a printer or various apps to scan my work. So I understand why that business perhaps isn't thriving on a domestic level. The shareholder update is well worded, and you can see how the company will flex and bend and adapt to its and its customers' circumstances. So a 30% decline in the share price, I think, maybe is an overreaction, so may calm be restored. Now, is it too early for a drink? Well, at the moment, it's 10 o'clock in the morning, my time, so I suppose so. Now, I'm looking at Naked Wines because I am an angel of that business, which means that I put money into a pot every month, and at the end of the year, that's my Christmas wine paid for, although I could possibly dip into my pot and have some summer wines as well. Now, I'm not a stock investor, but investors learned today that results will be delayed, but the founder and the former chief executive, Rowan Gormley, known as Robags, is now the chairman, and he knows how to build a customer base. It's just that most of us functioning alcoholics during lockdown are no longer such, as we become TikTok teetotal. Now, back in 2011, internet oldie Yahoo released a new stable of email addresses. Now, I was a bit fed up with my yahoo.co.uk email address, so I had one of the ymail.com suffixes that Yahoo was offering to its customers, users. Well, it worked great until Google started offering gmail.com to its clients. Well, I've had no end of bother and missed so much communication with people getting mixed up between Gmail and Ymail. However, it's very easy to find me online. So back to Yahoo. Now, it was spun off from parent company Verizon way back in 2021. It had delisted from the stock markets prior to that. It delisted some 6 years ago. And after think time, it is preparing to return. Now, Yahoo already owns many social media outlets that we may or may not use, including TechCrunch and gambling app Wager. And TechCrunch telling us this week that Threads, Instagram's answer to Twitter, will be launched this week. More app clutter for me. That's an opportunity for Restore, I reckon. Hope you're well. Take care. See you same time next week.